Hello everyone, I am Advika and you are watching the Law Informants channel. In this video, I will be talking about animal laws in India. As fundamental rights are guaranteed to the citizens of India, animals too have fundamental rights to the extent of Article 21, under which they are given a right to life. The Uttarakhand High Court declared that the entire animal kingdom, including avian and aquatic, as legal entities, with distinct persona and corresponding rights, duties, and liabilities of a living person. According to the OIE, World Organization for Animal Health, in which India has been a member since 1924, animal welfare means the physical and mental state of an animal in relation to the conditions in which it lives and dies. This definition has been identified in the Terrestrial Code, which has been adopted by the Honorable Apex Court in the case of Animal Welfare Board of India versus A. Nagaraja and others, wherein it was held that animals have a right to live with dignity, intrinsic worth, and without unnecessary pain and suffering. The OIE Guiding Principles on Animal Welfare includes the universally recognized freedoms available, which are freedom from hunger, malnutrition and thirst, freedom from fear and distress, freedom from physical and thermal discomfort, freedom from pain, injury and disease, freedom to express normal patterns of behavior. These freedoms were interpreted under Article 21 of the Constitution of India in the aforementioned case, which enunciates that the right to life is extended to animals as well. Now, this is a landmark judgment which was given in 2014 and has been taken as a strong precedent in many animal rights violation cases since. Transporting animals in any manner that causes discomfort, pain, or suffering is also a punishable offence. Confining hens in battery cages is a violation. Abandoning an animal, leaving it in a situation that it suffers pain due to starvation or thirst is a punishable offence under Section 11(1) of PCA Act 1960. Capturing, trapping, poisoning or baiting of any wild animal or even attempting to do so is punishable by law, with a fine or imprisonment of up to 7 years or both, according to Section 9 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. To kill or maim any animal, including stray animals, is a punishable offence under IPC sections 428 and 429. It is illegal for a housing society to ban pets. These acts are designed to let the citizens of India be more compassionate towards animals and make them live in a space where they are given similar rights as that of humans. This is for the protection and survival of animals in the ecosystem. But what is reality? Live chicks are thrown in boiling water. Baby male chicks are directly thrown in the grinder alive, as they are only used for their soft meat. A commercial hen house with a small, inaccessible screened-in porch does not allow any freedom of movement for these birds. This is violative of Article 21, which is a fundamental right available to animals as held in AWBI case. Article 51A (g) therefore enjoins that it is a fundamental duty of every citizen to have compassion for living creatures, which means concern for suffering, sympathy, kindness, etc. How to file a complaint in an animal rights violation case? First, find out which agency is responsible for investigating and enforcing the anti-cruelty laws in your state, county or town. Any person can lodge a police complaint against an offender under the IPC and Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. It is the responsibility of the police to initiate action. Now, against whom can an action lie? An action can lie against Animal Welfare Division, Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairy and Fisheries, Ministry of Agriculture and Farming, Animal Welfare Board of India. What are the major laws that govern animal rights in the country? The Constitution of India 1950, the Indian Penal Code 1860, Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960, Wildlife Protection Act 1972, PCA Transport of Animals Rules 2001, PCA Slaughterhouse Rules 2001. High Court passed an order asking the police to provide protection to dogs and dog feeders and has made it a punishable offence in case anyone restricts, prohibits or causes inconvenience to any person feeding a street dog or resorts to removal or dislocation or killing a dog. Section 503 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 provides that intimidation is a criminal offence which is cognizable. Anyone who threatens or intimidates any person taking care of dogs is liable for criminal intimidation under Section 503 of Indian Penal Code and can be arrested without a warrant. According to Section 506, it is a crime to threaten, abuse or harass neighbours who feed animals. IPC Section 428 and 429 provides severe punishment of up to 5 years imprisonment to people resorting to dislocation, abduction and acts of cruelty towards community animals or pets. The Animal Birth Control Rules 2001, enacted under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, provides for sterilization and vaccination as a means of stabilizing or reducing stray dog population and eliminating the risk of rabies. It prohibits relocation of stray dogs, that is, throwing or driving them out of one area into another. An order was passed by the Supreme Court of India in this regard, which prohibits removal, dislocation or killing of all dogs. Under Stray Dog Management Rules 2001, it is illegal for an individual, RWA or estate management to remove or relocate dogs. The dogs have to be sterilized and vaccinated and returned to the same area. Vaccinated and sterilized dogs cannot be removed by the municipality too. Article 51A(g) states, "It shall be the duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife and to have compassion for living creatures." So, the animal lover is protected under the Constitution. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more updates and stay tuned for more information. To know more about law informants, click on the link given in the description box.